Good morning. So I'm getting ready to do a cold start on this motorcycle, but I wanted to show you this so you can see that it is sort of morning and it is only 47 degrees out, and that's what my windshield looks like at the moment. All right, so this is what I'm doing the cold start on. This is this 2004 Yamaha V-Star that has, turn on 2,712 miles. If I write it, it has to be illegal, so it'll be sold with pretty much close to that. I wouldn't guess it'll be any more than 20 miles because I might have to take it out for cruise again. Kind of like it, but I can't register it here in California. And how do you know it's cold? Well, you don't hear it ticking like it's just been started. And let's do this on the exhaust. So you saw it was 47 out, and that's what the exhaust temperature is on that one. We'll do the front one too, just for grins. There we go. So you know it's cold. And so this is actually the first time I'm ever going to do this. Here we are in neutral, so that's good. And I'll give it some choke because it'll need that. And there we go. So anyway, I was going to say, it's been sitting for a while, and I did remove the carburetors, take them apart, clean them up, clean up the jets, and do all that. To be honest, it was difficult to adjust them on the bike with the bike running because of the lack of room to get to the carburetor adjustment screw with them mounted. So I've done the best I can with my tools, and I think somebody with some sort of specialty tool can get in there much better than I actually just used one of those screwdriver bits to get up in there. So there's where it is, and I had to hold it there and then turn it with a 1/4 inch wrench in that area. I wasn't looking, but right there is where it is. So you can see there's really not any clearance, and when it's hot, yeah, it's tough on the fingers. I'm sure there's got to be some sort of slinky tool to get in there, right angle something, and that would make that a bunch easier. Well, yeah, it'll probably be helpful to turn the fuel on. So let's give this a go again. So it'll run but it takes a little while to warm up. To where it doesn't stumble when you try to give it a little gas. There it goes. It also needs a rear tire. Well, that's just the two things that could need to be sorted out a little bit more, and this baby's ready to ride. We got some sunglasses, CD player in there. Or CDs for the CD player. CDs are in there. There we go. Just about ready to ride. I should also mention that when I adjusted the carburetors, I was able to balance them with my homemade manometer there. It worked pretty well. I got that so the water was steady.